by the way, my hair is red now. My birthday, OOTD, I was wearing the same pants last year. We're all gonna die anyway. I was just thinking that if everyone's life is like a set pattern, do I miss my early 20s? Yeah. Every day, romanticize your life every day like it's your. So, I am in Pune on my birthday. I haven't showered, I haven't done anything. And I'm out looking for contact lenses because mine are like over 2 months old and you should not be using 2-month-old lenses. And I had to urgently travel for a shoot, so now I really need to buy them. So let's search for chashma shops in this market. Happy birthday to me!
-5 आणि -4 मध्ये -6.25 10 डिग्री.
I love this, you know, just randomly walking on a random street, using Google Maps to find my way, exploring and finding things along the way. I love walking. When you're on your foot versus when you're in a car, you miss out on so much. I feel like just exploring a place by foot is my favorite thing, hands down. Look at that. Oh, by the way, my hair is red now, so I did that for the shoot. It's like I have 3 heads of hair. Oh. I always have a hop in my step on my birthday. It just happens. Like last year also, I was doing the most mundane shit in the metro, but I romanticized it and I was like having a great time. And it's just a thought that if we just romanticize every day like it's our birthday, life can be pretty great. Every day, romanticize your life every day like it's your. My phone never has space. Anyway, guys, I have a very important thing to talk to you about. Okay, now that we're growing older, especially, we're so stagnant in one place, and movement is zero other than the time when we go to the gym, right? But I will give you a very useful tip that is better for your health, also more eco-friendly. If you have to run an errand which is less than 2.5 kilometers away, walk it. It's great steady state cardio. It's better for the environment. You're gonna like get a break away from all of the stress that you're around. It's gonna be amazing, trust me. Yay! My birthday, OOTD. I was wearing the same pants last year. Rewear and repeat. Where are we right now? What is this place called?
Koregaon Park.
We are in Koregaon Park and it is beautiful, dude. Like there's such huge old trees and so many restaurants, and this is totally my vibe. Welcome to Boho Boho. It was Shivratri day, so the non-vegetarians were supposed to eat vegetarian food with me. Now, if you are a non-vegetarian and you're like, ew, vegetarian food, you are missing out. I thought this is a plastic straw, but this is like a rice-based pasta. How cool is that? Extra 10 points. I'm telling you, go out with your vegetarian friends and get them to order some vegetarian food, and your perceptions are about to be changed, and you're gonna be a changed human being, and you're gonna start eating great food. I can guarantee it. I am mostly mindful about the kind of food I eat. I try to make it as healthy as I can, even if I'm eating out. That means protein from my hummus, protein from my tofu, and it also tastes amazing.
Classic American pancake, eggless chocolate pancake, Nutella banana crepe.
It's so pretty, bro. Can I just like extra 10 points? 10 more points. Bro, I'm obsessed with these trees, dude. So pretty. And पूरे road पे ऐसा ही है. I am the happiest right now. It is so pretty. Did you plan this or did you just find it here in the vicinity?
I know कि यहाँ पे है ये सब. I had a rough idea, but I'm also coming here for the first time.
water stinks a little bit, if I'm being honest. It's beautiful, but it's a little bit smelly throughout. The park is clean, the water is not. I wish it was. But the birds are beautiful.
Like you can't see the water flow in the middle. It looks stagnant.
Yeah.
And बस यहाँ पे गिरते हुए दिख रहा है.
वो भी उसमें भी कूड़ा है. I wish it was clean, bro. It is beautiful otherwise. There is one statue also here. Hi, it's been a few days since my birthday. I am officially late 20s now. I'm wiser. I'm here heating up some lunch for myself, washing this dish, testing out my mic, and doing a little chit-chat session with you guys. This is an important topic which needs to be talked about. I have done a lot of thinking, a lot of wisdom has been gained, and I have seen a lot of people struggle with this. So let's talk. Let me go back 2 years when I was having this stressful time and I was like not having it because I was like, what have I done in my life? And I am just a failure because all these other people have done so much and look at me. I had a full-on mental breakdown on the roof of my then office. Why, you ask? Because I was turning the dreaded 25. The quarter life crisis is real, you all. And why I'm saying that is not because I faced it. It's a thing, of course, people face it. Recently, a few months back, my sister was going through it. And I also saw this very popular video on Instagram, again last year sometime, where this girl was crying her eyes off for the same reason. You are expected to have all of this stuff figured out. You're expected to like be married and have kids before you're 30. And I'm just like, hello, hi, I'm not married. So I'm not saying that I still don't get stressed out, but I've become calmer about it. Firstly, it is okay to have different timelines for everyone. If everyone's timeline was the same, that would be fucking boring because you just know, like, so I am someone who gets bored with too much structure. I enjoy structure, but when every day looks the same, I just get bored. I need some, I need something to excite me. And so I was just thinking that if everyone's life is like a set pattern, you turn 25 and you're like at your peak and then you're done, it's only growing, and then at 60 you retire. Isn't that the life that is portrayed to be so scary and terrifying and just robotic? I can continue working, I can continue staying fit. By the way, do you see? I've been trying to, oh yeah, do you see it? Do you see it? So if you are working towards the things that you want to achieve, you don't feel the stress. I feel like the stress comes more. I'm not saying it does not exist, but I feel like the stress comes more when you know internally that you're not doing everything you need to do to achieve everything you need to achieve. Your time is filled by things you love and filled by your goals. You will enjoy your journey, and in the process, sure, you will still have a timeline in your mind, but you will be satisfied in knowing that you're doing your best. I feel like that has helped me control my stress a lot more. I cannot control when I get my big break. For example, I get my big break where I can like really have a platform to, talk about the things I want to talk about. So I have created a separate page just to talk about sustainability because I feel like before this a lot of it was very product driven, but I feel like sustainability is a mindset, and I have so many thoughts which I often did not talk about because I felt like nobody cares, but they are so important. So if that stuff interests you, I have made a separate page so that only people who are interested can follow me there. And yeah, if it interests you, see you there. And show my talent as an actor, which I have been working really hard to kind of now bring forward more actively. These are the things I can do. Rest होगा या नहीं होगा उसके बारे में सोच के स्ट्रेस लेके रो के कोई फायदा नहीं है. I will give you a tip which has really helped me. Now it may sound very dramatic, but I have started following these really cool badass women on Instagram who have like silver hair, and they rock it with confidence.
By the bullet that killed her mother. And our wonderful veterinarian, Rebecca Atencia, managed to save her life. And then she began to interact with other chimps.
कि आइडियल साइज क्या है पौधे का प्लांटिंग के लिए, सैपलिंग को जब पिट के अंदर फिक्स करना होता है.
And just looking at these women, I'm like, dude, who says that you are limited after a certain age, after you have kids, after you get married, all that? Like, it's on you if you decide to limit yourself, because society will try. If you give in, that's that. But if you don't, your life ends when your life ends. Your life does not end at 25 or 30 or 35 or 45, whenever. You choose and you get to choose. I can like do whatever I want without like struggling. I can go and chase whatever I want. Of course, everyone has limitations, but I can give it a shot because my body allows me to. You know, because for a lot of people, that's not the case. Just all of these things have just added up and made me realize that privilege comes in different levels, but what we have is also privilege, and we should not let that go to waste. Do I miss my early 20s? Fuck no. I was stupid. I was, okay, let's give her a little grace. I was figuring it out. I trusted a bunch of really shitty people. Learned my lessons along the way. Blocked them, which is so unlike me. Learned to recognize patterns. And never made those mistakes again. You know, life's a journey. And you have to enjoy it. Because if you don't, we're all gonna die anyway. Might as well enjoy it. And sure, we get stressed every now and then. Sure, I get massive bursts of climate anxiety every now and then, wondering what life will be like when I'm 50 years old, whether this world will even exist or not. But, I mean, again, like, I can do what I can do. I can talk about it on my platform, hopefully grow it more. I can do a lot more for sure. And if I don't, that's when you get stressed. If you do, you still get stressed, but you at least feel like, okay, I'm doing what I can do. You know, that's that, man. I heard in Mel Robbins' podcast, every woman should be able to do 11 push-ups. Not knee push-ups, real proper push-ups. And I'm like, what do I do with all these muscles if I can't do push-ups with them? So that is my next challenge. I encourage you all to pick up such a challenge. Let's all do 11 push-ups. What do you say? See you next time.